How to blend images in Canva. Once you are on your new Canva project, go to Uploads. By this time, you'll have uploaded your images. Drag your image to the canvas. Adjust the size of your image to fit your page. Remove the background of your image. Go to Edit and click Adjust. Decrease the brightness and increase the contrast. Download the image as PNG. Delete the image and upload the downloaded image. Select and drag the image you want to use as background. Ensure that both images have the same resolution. Go to Apps and type Blend Image. Choose Blend Image. Click this image first. And use top layer. Click this other image and use as bottom layer. Go to blend mode and select screen, then click add the design. Adjust the size of the blended image to fit your page. Go back to your uploads and drag your first image to your Canvas page. Right on top, increase its size to fit the entire page. Remove the background of your image. Go to Apps and type Image Blender. Choose Image Blender. Choose Linear. Adjust the pointer to your liking. Decrease the strength and click Save. And here is the final result. I hope you like this tutorial. Subscribe to the channel, learn more about Canva.